Hello everybody and welcome to Nest Food Corner.
In this video, we are going to see how to prepare barbecue honey chicken wings. The ingredients required are chicken wings 500 grams, to marinate, pepper powder, paprika powder, maida, corn flour and salt. For barbecue honey sauce, butter, barbecue sauce, chili sauce, honey. Now to prepare the chicken wings, coat the chicken wings well with the ingredients mentioned under to marinate. Deep fry the chicken wings or air fry them and keep it aside. To prepare the barbecue honey sauce, in a pan, add the sauce mix mentioned under the ingredients for barbecue honey sauce, heat them and bring it to a boil. Finally, add the fried chicken wings and toss it well with the sauce. Barbecue honey chicken wings is ready to be served.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.